So one of the things that we've talked about today is the human touch cloud ecosystem. And what we have in the cloud ecosystem is basically the elements that you need to be successful in the cloud. It's beyond just infrastructure as a service. It's making sure we have the cloud management tools so you can provision and set up your billing profiles for your customers. Okay, another element is the business continuity or the redundancy, making sure that just because you're in your cloud, you're not necessarily redundant, you're not necessarily have business continuities, you're not necessarily going to make your recovery time objective. So it's having the tools necessary to provide that redundancies and business continuity. Then we have the security management tools and the security compliance tools. As you talked about in a previous segment, we talked about how you can extend some of the continuous diagnostics and monitoring tools out to the cloud, but it's also making sure you're provisioning and you're setting up the cloud instances to be compliant with policy. Okay, and then the last area in our ecosystem is really the platform as a service and software as a service that goes into the cloud. And what the cloud infrastructure is great, but unless you're actually doing something with that infrastructure, it really doesn't buy you a whole heck of a lot. So we use our core platform as a service, which is basically a business intelligent, low-code, no-code solution where you can build business solutions in the cloud. So it's combining all these pieces together so you can actually have functionality in the cloud as opposed to just infrastructures for the sake of infrastructure.